Moving the elements by dragging. If I go up to modify and I select a wall, I use control key to select another wall and another wall. Now that I have the 3 walls selected, I can drag them when I have the 4 little arrows. Notice where my cursor is, I got the 4 little move arrows. And we can move elements by dragging if we have this little button down here on the status bar. This is drag elements on selection. So if this is checked on, we're allowed to drag the elements without selecting it first. So if I turn that off, there'd be a little X there, and then now we're not able to drag them. So you should make sure that this is not X'd out, red X'd out. So if we modify, I select a wall, I hold the control key, select another one and another one, I have a little 4-sided arrow. I'll hold the left mouse button down and I drag it out, and you can see I'm moving the wall and its connected parts of the wall, and those elements then can only be moved in this direction. You'll see the green dotted line. Now if I wanted to go off on an angle, I could do that by hitting the shift key, and that allows me then I could move it off on an angle or something like that. And so usually you don't want that. Usually you just want to go off in one angle. So if I was trying to make this room bigger, right, I'll go out and have that little green dotted line there, and then when I let go, the elements will move and shift into place. So moving elements by dragging is controlled by this button on the status bar. It needs to be on. Now with the X, you need to select your items and then hold it down so you have the 4 arrows with your left mouse button and drag it in a direction, and then let go and you can move the items. So for example, I can say modify and I can select this table. I can hold the control key down, select this bed and this table, and now I got the 4 arrows there. I can slide this over until I can park it right where I want it to be and just let go. And then I can escape to remove them from the selection set, and I've now moved the elements by dragging.